is our day at sea, and it is very, very rainy and wet, as you can see. Kind of everything had to be moved indoors, and there's no pool today, there's no outdoor activities. Ooh, I'm getting a little wet over here because it's pouring right now. Wow, the rain just started coming down really heavy right now. I'm going to step back a little bit.
Probably smart.
Yeah. And everything is so dramatic. The lighting and everything is awesome. In the middle of the Caribbean, Bahamas, and I want my jacket because I'm chilly because there's no sun anywhere.